going on, guys? Back with another YouTube video here. Today we're going fishing. So I got the one rod here ready to go, waiting for Big Tits McGitch to get here and pick me up, and then probably show you when we're on the lake. So while I'm waiting for fucking Big Tits McGooch to come pick me up, I'm just shooting birds and shit on the back deck over here. What's crack-a-lackin', guys? On the way to the lake. We were about to go at 5, it's 6:30. I don't even care because this motherfucker's always late for everything. Got a couple rods here. Got some worms there. Bass, baby, bass.
Hello, motherfucker.
What's going on, boys? We got the rods. We got the boys. We got the piss warm beers in the bag. And we're dragging the kayaks down the lake. Big Tits McGooch here doing all the work. I'm just getting my tan on, you know. I gotta fucking reel in all the heavy fish. So I'd like to thank Abu Garcia and waltzauto.com/shop for helping us make this day of fishing possible, as well as Pelican Kayaks. Couldn't do without the boys, you know. Gonna be a good day. It's a busy day on the lake already. You know what's serious? I got my fishing glasses on. Waiting for Manib to start paddling. Got the rods fucking rigged up. Lake's pretty fucking busy though, if you ask me. Got Jane over there, fish dangler. Manib's gonna be paddling all the way because I'll be sore and tired from catching all the fucking big old fish today. But you know what? We're gonna be getting her done.
Traffic to be dodged on the water.
Get your Waltz Auto merch at waltzauto.com/shop. Got about 15 minutes till we get to the hot spot. I'm chillaxing here, drinking beer. Manib's grinding away, getting us there. I'll be catching the fish. He's really just my tour guide. So we'll let you know when we got the first one on the hook. Okay, so buddy here cast it, hooked my fucking rod, hooked it to the back of the kayak rope. I got my fishing glasses on and it ain't even sunny. Ain't caught nothing yet. We've been paddling for about 3 fucking hours. Buddy says it's 30 minutes away. This fucking tell ya. Jesus Christ. Anyway.
You wanna try and find worm?
So I'm gonna try and unhook all these fucking rods here. Hey, Tits McGee, how many hours of sunlight we got left?
Look at this dude.
Oh, right on. So, Big Tits over here lost a big old bass on the drop shot, but I caught this fucking monster. Fucking monster, dude. Hooked nicely. Woo! Get her done, baby. Let's get her done. So, boys, we got German the Wormin on the hook over there. We're fucking casting another German the Wormin on here. Peach does jickin' the bickin', you know? Here, we just got back from a moderately adequate day of fishing. Didn't get much clips of the fish, but you know what they say? A bad day of fishing beats a good day of anything else.
Fellow subscribers, you know, if you guys could just help us out, like, comment, subscribe, share, whatever you can do, just help fellow brothers out, you know. One last thing we just like to say, we'll be putting out 2 videos a week. You know, any suggestions, drop a comment down below. See what we can do.
Like, comment, subscribe, share, forward, repost, republish, hashtag Big Fish Gang.
Right on.
1 fight, 2 fight, 3 fight, 4.
Let's hit the lake again and catch some more.